Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create your first quotation or any quotation in general on Odoo. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to need the sales module. I forget if this is installed by the default or if you need to install it yourself through the apps menu, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that you have the sales module here, and once you have it installed, you can go into it. And this is exactly what you're going to use to create your quotations. And as you can see your quotations right here. The immediate page is going to be open once you click on the sales is the quotations list, and once you're here, you just need to click create here on new, and here you can search for a customer. I'll search for this one, or doesn't really matter for this one. Invoice address is going to be for this customer right here. The price list is going to be, I'll just leave everything default, and I'm going to go ahead and add a product here. I'm going to go ahead and search for, I don't know, the t-shirt that I set up as a test product, and now we have our quotation. You can save it as a draft if you want to. It's going to be automatically named, so you can't really edit that part, but you can send it by email over here if you want to. You can confirm it and do everything, and that is pretty much it. It's a very useful tool just so that you have quotations on hand so that you can check any transactions you might need or any sales, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.